Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Adobe Photoshop for YouTube thumbnails. First, let's get your canvas ready. Open Photoshop and create a new document. You'll want to set the dimensions to 1280 pixels wide by 720 pixels high. This is the ideal size for YouTube thumbnails. Also, make sure your resolution is 72 pixels per inch, which is perfect for web-based images. This setup ensures your thumbnail looks crisp and professional. Now that your canvas is set, let's add some visual interest. You can either import a striking background image or simply fill the background with a solid color that complements your brand. Next, bring in your main subject. This could be a product, yourself, or anything central to your video's topic. Make sure it's prominent and clearly visible. Using a layer mask is a great way to precisely cut out your subject and achieve a polished, professional edge. Text is crucial for grabbing attention. Select a bold, easy-to-read font that stands out, even on smaller screens. Remember, less is often more. Aim for a concise title, ideally under 20 characters, to convey your video's essence instantly. Don't forget to include your channel's logo or other branding elements. This helps viewers recognize your content and builds brand consistency across all your videos, making your channel look more professional. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Go to File, then Export and choose Save for Web Legacy or Export As. Select JPEG as your file format for a good balance of quality and file size. Make sure the final image size is under 2 megabytes, which is YouTube's limit. Before uploading, take a moment to view your thumbnail on various devices like a phone and a desktop to ensure it looks great and is easily readable everywhere. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.